we have seen that the DL layer is calling for the HTTP services in the custom HTTP using HTTP client. Now we have to intercept the requests that are sent out of the application with the custom HTTP interceptor. So here what we have to do is we have to implement the HTTP interceptor, which comes in the Angular common HTTP, and here we have one method to implement, which is intercept. So this method will capture the requests and the next object, which is a HTTP handler, and here we are going to handle the request, what is happening next. So we can find the request here, and we are handling the response when it comes back to us. Alright, so here I'm just saying what is the starting time of it, and the lapsed time we're going to address here. So lapsed time. Okay, so here this is just a simple function. In case if you need, you can implement here the loaders. Your loading should start here if you want, and your loading should end here, which will block the user or says user that I'm doing some work, or I'm interacting with server in the backend. So now let's try to integrate this with app modules so that we will be able to get it actively. So if you run this code right now, you will be able to see that there are a lot of requests going to and fro, but we are not able to find any loggings which are coming from our this elapsed time or the HTTP interceptors. So for that we have to we have to provide this stuff here. So we have to provide the HTTP interceptors, where the use class is my custom HTTP interceptor, and we are allowing multiple true so that it should not block the requests if there is a load in the application. So we are allowing creating the multiple instances of this interceptors. Again, their handler was the older one. Okay, so let's see if it is printing now. So it's saying interceptor.intercept is not a function. Code should work. Alright, so that was just a saving problem. Okay, so we are getting these MS records here. So let's try to log in something else as well. So for example, req.url to this much time. So it will keep printing these things here. Okay, so this is how the interceptor will going to work, and we can integrate the different kinds of data that should interact or interpret the or intercept the request. So here you can again set the headers if you want, and other stuffs can be managed here.